And welcome to 6-1. As thousands of mortgage holders continue to struggle to stay on top of their home loans, a new initiative has been launched by one of the country's biggest lenders. AIB has teamed up with the Irish Mortgage Holders Association, which works with distressed borrowers. The group, which has been highly critical of AIB in the past, says it will act as an intermediary for AIB and EBS customers who don't wish to approach the bank directly.
It's an unusual pairing. On the left, David Hall of the Irish Mortgage Holders Organisation, and on the right, a senior AIB executive. The two organisations rarely see eye to eye, and the IMHO regularly takes AIB to task over its dealings with people in mortgage difficulty. But as of today, the support group is teaming up with AIB to help it address its arrears crisis.
Most people are very, very afraid of dealing with the bank, and this is an objective to rebalance that and to have them the opportunity to come and talk to us, whereby we will deal with the bank on their behalf.
We understand why some might be reluctant to deal with us directly. So in that respect, it gives them one more opportunity to engage with us, to get an SFS in, to allow us a chance to offer them a sustainable solution.
It was only 3 months ago that the IMHO was utterly scathing in its criticism of AIB after Chief Executive David Duffy said that 20% of customers in mortgage arrears were choosing not to pay their mortgages. Now it finds itself as a sanctioned intermediary for the bank. Its task is daunting, with 1 in 5 of all AIB mortgages in some sort of difficulty.
Well, AIB have over 40,000 arrears cases, and only half of them have even filled in a standard financial statement. So any organisation that approaches this with a view to curing it really has their work cut out for them, given that AIB themselves haven't even been able to get through this with a huge number of staff dedicated to resolving the problem.
The new initiative, which is free to anyone with an AIB or EBS mortgage, is expected to deal with 300 to 400 people a month. It's grant funded by AIB, but the Mortgage Holders Organisation maintains that it will retain its independence, and it says it won't be slow to criticise AIB when criticism is due. The initiative becomes operational this day fortnight. Paul Colgan, RTE News.
A new investment fund has been established for small businesses experiencing difficulties securing finance from banks and private investors. The fund is worth €125 million. Our economics correspondent Sean Whelan joins us now in studio to tell